Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update the OS and the app, and check whether the device is using a battery saver or aggressive power mode. Once done, go to Settings and locate Battery, Power Mode, or Device Care. Make sure to disable any saver that restricts background tasks. Also, check whether your phone maker applies automatic app hibernation. That's why we list manufacturer-specific tweaks early. This step prevents the system from killing apps before we change app-level permissions. Next, you dive into the targeted app settings. Open Settings, Apps, pick the app, and enable background activity or background data so it can run when not visible. Then exclude it from battery optimization. On Android, tap Not Optimized, then All Apps, and choose Don't Optimize. If the phone has app hibernation, mark the app as exempt. Also, make sure background refresh or unrestricted data usage is on. Otherwise, the app will be paused when the screen is off. Finally, you apply advanced measures. Enable developer options and avoid setting background process limit to low. Keep it at standard or higher so the system retains more apps. Lock the app in recents or add it to auto start or startup lists if the launcher supports that. After changing settings, clear the app cache and restart the device so changes take effect. If apps still close, one key troubleshooting tip: check for aggressive manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.